Need to pay rental income tax? Here is how to generate a KRA payment slip for MRI, fast and easy. First things first, MRI starts for monthly rental income. If you earn between 288,000 and 15 million shillings per year from residential rent, this is your tax regime. You pay a 7.5% flat rate on gross rent, and both filing and payment are due by the 20th of the following month. Now, step 1, log into Itax. Start by going to itax.kra.go.ke. Log in using your KRA PIN and your password. Then step 2, select Payment option. On the main menu, click on Payment and then choose Payment Registration. Once the form opens, click Next to proceed. Step 3, fill in the details. Under the tax details, select Tax Head Income Tax, Tax Subhead Income Tax Rental Income, the payment type Self-Assessment, and then choose the correct tax period. For example, in this case we choose June 2025. Then under the liability, confirm the month and the amount, and then click Add. Step 4, confirm payment details. Under the selected payments, confirm all the details. And then under How do you want to pay, select Other Payment Records. Then step 5, submit and download the eSlip. Submit the form and KRA will generate a payment slip as a PDF. Use this slip to pay via Mpesa or bank. Full instructions are provided on the slip. And that is it. Your MRI payment slip is ready. Just remember, the deadline for both filing and payment is 20th of every month. Be sure to save your payment slip for your records. Was this video helpful? Tap like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And check out our other tax guides uploaded every week.